hello momsies, popsies, and of course mga kaguro and to all the students out there. Hello. So welcome again to our channel. So it's me, teacher Gracy Jane, where you can learn more and share more. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you about individual work week plan or IWP na pinapasa po natin school, and at the same time we also have individual daily log and accomplishment report. Of course, related po ang dapat isulat natin sa mga ginagawa or gagawin po natin sa school. And as you notice, meron po tayong skeletal schedule, at the same time meron ding work from home. So for this, ang date po dito is December 7 to 11, 2020. Okay, so ito po. Ayan, observe nyo lang. Okay. So since nasa work from home po ako, for health concern, health issue, so ito po ang ginagawa ko. So I'm making a learning activity sheets or module and weekly home learning plans. And for that, since meron pong naka-assign for my classroom for the distribution and for the sorting of modules, ayan po ang sinulat ko. Ayan po target natin. And do not forget to sign this part. Signature niyo po. Of course, ayan, this is individual work week plan or IWP. And now let's proceed to individual daily log and accomplishment. My daily log is December 1 to 4, 2020 since holiday po ang November 30. So ito po ang individual daily log and accomplishment report po natin. So hindi po siya pareho sa date ng IWP po natin. Since mas nauna po ang individual work week plan po natin at kasunod na rin po for last week na kung nagawa pa po natin yung work IWP natin last week. Okay. So ito. So again, alternative work arrangement ko po is work from home for health concern. Okay. So ayan, actual accomplishment po na nangyari. Kasi nagawa ko po talaga ito. And need to sign this one before you pass it to your HT or sa inyong principal. Okay. So ayan po. Actually ito po lahat na po to. Napas ko na po. Ayan, another individual plan last week po. Then ayan. Okay, so pinapakita ko lang kung anong nagawa natin habang naka-work from home po tayo. Okay. So, I hope may natutunan po sa ating pinakitang individual work week plan or IWP and individual daily log and accomplishment report or IDLAR. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and para updated po tayo sa ating video classroom tutorial, please hit the notification bell para ma-notify po tayo. Again, thank you for watching. God bless everyone.